Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 supports video stabilization or not. Now to check if the Poco C75 supports video stabilization or not, just open the camera app. Now from here, just tap on video. Now from here, just tap on the arrow icon at the top of your smartphone. Now as you can see, there is no option to enable video stabilization. Now we will record a short video to check the video stabilization on the Poco C75. Just tap on the record button and shake your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the record button to stop recording. Now from here, just open the video. Now as you can see, the video is not stabilized because the Poco C75 does not support video stabilization. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 supports video stabilization or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.